Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can host your HTML website on cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, while cPanel is used for website management and pretty much just making the whole process more streamlined and more efficient. It's not really a hosting service. If you use a hosting service, chances are you do have cPanel, since it is included in most hosting packages. And yeah, cPanel by itself cannot be used for hosting, however, it can be used for managing. But if you already have a site or a domain hosted and you have cPanel through your hosting service, you can very easily upload your own HTML files onto it. Now, firstly, of course, you need to use a file transfer protocol or an FTP, or you can use cPanel's own file manager, which is also very easily used. And yeah, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. It doesn't matter if your site is static, if it's dynamic, you'll have all the files that you need, including the htaccess file should also be generated by itself in the public HTML folder once you have your site. However, the way that you actually host your site, you just need to upload your HTML files to your site, and the way you do that is you log into cPanel, access it however you can, then go to the file section, click on the file manager, and now you should be within your files on your site. Now, as you can see, the public HTML folder should be within your user files on the cPanel file manager, so you can just enter that. However, if you don't have it, you can very easily generate it. I do have another tutorial on that topic, but yeah, once you're in the public HTML folder, at the top toolbar you will see a plus sign where you can add files. So just select all of the files you want, the HTML files that you plan on uploading through your computer, and then just select them on your computer and just upload them to cPanel. You should also have the htaccess file, as I mentioned, as well as the index.html, since that is usually needed for the site to function properly. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Once you upload those files, that's all you need to do, and your site will now have content if you've done everything correctly. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.